It is a sunny afternoon, and it is 1 p.m. and I'm leaving my office now to go back home. So there are many things which I have planned for the afternoon, which I will be at home. Uh, that includes my weekly skincare routine, which is putting on the face sheet masks for Korean face sheet masks, and then there is the face oil which I bought, and I'm going to do gua sha with it. So are the things which are planned for the afternoon. Then I'm going to take a good nap after a meal. So it's going to be a cozy and relaxing afternoon. But as of now, I'm walking towards the metro station. So let's see how it goes, because thanks to the trees there will be shade in most of the areas, so I won't be affected by the sunlight at this time. And here is the corner house ice cream, where the ice creams are very good, and I have eaten there many more. Most of the times I've eaten, but today I'm not going to have it. And now here is another intersection, and as you can see, and here is the ECHS hospital. It's a very big hospital, and they have recently put a barbed wire, and I suppose it has electricity running through. This is my favorite spot where I see my cats, my favorite dog, and so basically there is a temple near this the corner. I will show it to you. So and there is a small house here, as you can see, this one. So they have all kinds of cats, dogs, and I just think I spotted one cat. I don't know if you can see it. This one is a cat here. It's okay, I'm not going to disturb it. So this is the house, and yeah, this is one of the doggos, but this is a new one. The old one normally sleeps here. Yeah, there it is. So as you can see, it is a very beautiful afternoon, calm one, and you can see the dog sleeping here, and there will be a few cats here and around. So, and this is the temple, Shiva temple, and I walk through this lane, and here is another one. This is a new one. I think it's like not even 1 year old. So the doors are open, but I would still not go inside. Oh, there I see my cat. How are you? It's been a long time since we met. Do you even remember me? No, right? Yeah. You're the one who didn't appear for a long time. Where were you? Okay then. Bye. I'm going. I don't have anything with me to give, so I'm just leaving. I don't want them to be disappointed. And so I'm so happy to see the cat, and it has been months since I saw it. Normally I give a whole chapati to it. I used to bring one whole chapati for it, and it used to eat. And actually it has owners, but it is like semi-domesticated cat. So as you can see, these beautiful houses, and how calm is this area. Okay. And and there are people working in the So now that the rules have changed, the parks are open even in the afternoon, which is nice to hear. But I would still not go through that road. Um, Actually, it is the shortest road to cross this line, but I don't want to come back. What if the doors are not open on the other side? So this is the KPTCL quarters, which you may have seen from other side of other road. So yeah, it goes up to till that, and there are many schools and hospitals and whatnot. Schools, like there's a college, there's a hospital, anything you name, it is there on this road. And you can see this tree. As you can see this tree, now that it is winter, there are not much leaves, but when it is on its peak, you can't the sun rays don't even touch the ground, and it is very dark here on the other months and other seasons. Because it is winter, you can actually see the beautiful sky. Yeah. So quite huge trees, and some of the branches are actually hanging on the cables, which are not visible on the camera, but yeah, that's how it is. I take different routes every day because this helps me to explore this area more patiently, so it's not the same route every day. And this is the entrance of the college, which you have seen time back. And here is a house, which is a very big house, and there's a white cat in this house. Like, it appears very occasionally. And here's an international school, and they have all kinds of activities going around every day. And this is the entrance to the KPTCL quarters. There are many entrances for them. And here comes some interior decoration shop, MSM Corner. So this is the MSM Corner interior decoration thing. So, and then we have the hotel. This opened just 2 years back. So it has already been 2 years. I can't believe this. So this is a hotel, and these are the dogs of the street. You can see the amount of traffic in this area. Zomato, Swiggy at this time is like very hectic for them, because there's so many offices and people order food from this. And now you're going to see is an amazing escape. It's like an escape room. So I and my brother tried this, and it was nice. We had fun. And here is one bakery with a very unique name called Neon Market. So I don't know. I think it's not meant for the type of, like, it is for different kind of people. So I don't want to go there. So there is a school here. So there will be a lot of traffic at this time, but in the morning it is very calm. So, like, the parents will be waiting for their kids with their vehicles, and they just block the road, and buses are there. Yeah, this is the place I was talking about, how it is. So here is a generator. I think the school is running on a temporary generator, but it has been there for a long time. Then you can see here is also another entrance for the school. So there are a lot of people here. If you have seen my last video, then you must have seen this road in the morning. Like, it was so calm, but right now it is the most busiest thing. And look at these beautiful flowers. I like how some places have the most beautiful flowers blooming, and it will be at the most unexpected places. It's not like very nicely visible. So there's a lot of noise pollution on this road, I should must say. And let me tell you about the weather. So even though it is a sunny afternoon, it is still cold, and I feel like I should wear my jacket back, but if I wear my jacket I will start sweating. So that is how the situation is now. And in the morning you must have seen this place, and now there are a lot of customers to eat the food. And so is this place, as you can see. So you can actually hear the chirping sound. So now we are back to seeing the dogs which we saw in the morning. They're having a afternoon sleep, and some are below the car. Somebody is practicing piano, and look at that doggo. It's going to have a night duty, so it's having a sleep now. So at the rate, the site. Oh, there is one more here. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah. So the rate of per square feet in Indiranagar as of now is 30,000 rupees per square feet. So if you wish to buy some place here, it should, if you wish to buy and your budget is like 1 crore, you will get only 600 square feet. So that's how it is, and so costly and very expensive. And to be honest, it involves a lot of traffic, so I do understand what the reason, but so how expensive and influential this area is. And there is a traffic jam here, and I have to cross this traffic. Let's see how I can. You never know from where a vehicle will come, even if it is one way. It is not one way, but still. So, and here is a grocery store, and one thing I have noticed here is that most of the stores are owned by Malayalis. Like, they have settled here for sure, and there are also these defense personnel who have settled here and taken up the land. And there is a CA office here, and even though they own such big houses, they still park their cars outside the road. Like, it is literally taking up half of the road. This is such a wide road, and they have, you just look at the space they have taken up, and it is not worth it. It's not useful for the pedestrians either, because there will be blockages everywhere. Now, for example, even if I pass through this area, there will be a vehicle park or something, and they have built up their own ramp for their cars, which is illegal, to be honest. And just look here, they have put their own flower plots to block the entrance. The pedestrians have no choice but to walk on the side of the road instead of the footpath. So this is how the afternoon in Indiranagar looks like. And here comes the metro station. So I'm close to the metro station, and there is a jam as well. So Here is on the right side, you can see the Blinkit uh, pickup point, and they have a pet dog which lives with them the whole time. To be honest, I'm actually exhausted now after walking for about 1.5 kilometers, and now I wish to take a break. To be now on the other days, I go to the Miniso stores over here to buy things like Korean goods, which is okay. There is what is the registration of this car? PY. So mostly on Saturdays, I either go to this Nectar pasta bar to have pastas. It's very nice. Or I go to this Passion Cosmetics to buy things like face sheet, night cream. Then there is this mini good store where you can buy all kinds of Korean goods. So it's just close to the metro station, so I go there. And I have tried in Beijing Bites, the Chinese hotel, the soup, and many more things. So here is the parking for the metro, two-wheeler parking. And then there is Cafe Coffee Day. I tried the paneer tikka burger. That was the only veg burger option available, and I didn't like it. Yeah, it's okay. We can't do anything about that. So let's go inside the metro station. This is how it looks inside the metro station, and people sitting on the stairs. It's quite calm. So here is the entrance to the metro station. After checking in, and you can see there's a vending machine. So, and here is how it afternoon looks like. It is very hectic, but inside there is a lot of rush. I normally see that other days there will be not much rush, but today I think everyone plans to be outside the home. So here is the escalator. We'll just climb it. I think the metro is going to come, or I missed it. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, 7 minutes remaining, and I'm going to take a seat. I'm not going to stand for 7 minutes. So there's a metro coming there. So I'm going to take a break here, sit down and relax and look at this beautiful view. So I have reached around 2:25 or something, and I'm not able to get the bus. There is huge rush at the bus stop. So I have treated myself with this new shop called Babu Singh Thakur Pedawala, and so I bought this matar kachori and one samosa, and it costed me around 103 rupees. So now I am going in the auto, and this is so cool. Sitting in the auto is so cool. I walked for 20 minutes from the metro station to the bus stop, and yeah,